This video is to help explain the sheet that came home on your child's math test. The test that we took was the addition and subtraction part 1. Okay, this is a sample. So it should have your child's name on the top and their total score. PRS 1 stands for Progress Report Standard number 1. So looking over here at the progress report in the mathematics column, the first progress report standard is listed right here. Represents numbers accurately and demonstrates an understanding of number relationships. So your child's grade would be filled in right here. So in PRS 1, this student got a 7 out of 10. Okay, we can see a 7 out of 10 is a 3. There's 7 here. And this means students usually demonstrated concepts and skills. If we flip over to the back, it tells us PRS 1, and it has all the things that are within PRS 1 for this unit. So the circled numbers are the ones that the student got incorrect. So reads, writes, and identifies the place value of each digit in a 4-digit whole number with or without models. The student got all these numbers correct, but number 13 they got wrong. Rounds whole numbers 999 or less to the nearest 10 and 100. This student had problems, did not get question number 7 or 16 correct. So this is definitely an area where a student needs extra practice. But comparing and ordering whole numbers, each 999 or less, they got those questions correct. So that is how we get, there was 10 questions within here, 9, 8, 7. So that's how they get 7 out of 10. So their grade on the report card would be a 3. Down here, PRS 2. We would look in PRS 2, computes numbers with fluency and makes reasonable estimates. The grade would be right here. Same thing, got 5 out of 8. The student would get a grade of 2, which means they sometimes demonstrate concepts and skills because they got a 5. And then on the back it continues with the questions they got wrong and then the questions they got right. So you can see the student is having difficulty with the sum and difference of 2 whole numbers. And then we go on to Progress Report Standard 6. Progress Report Standard 6 represents situations and mathematical relationships using algebraic symbols. Grade would go here. The student got a 2 out of 2. There's only 2 questions with that PRS standard, and so they get a 4. They consistently demonstrate the concepts and skills, and so none of these are circled because they got both correct. And that is our sheet explained.